Hi everyone, my name is Renata Raisel and today I would like to present my final project for Business English Correspondent based on option 2, Global Green Agro Exports Seasonal Search and Staffing Shifts. In this case, I act as an administrative officer responsible for handling various business correspondence during the company's peak export season. Okay, for the first, I have the 6 correspondents and the first text was writing a credit rejection letter. The case is a Japanese buyer requests a credit facility of 40,000 US dollar, and however, the application was rejected because the company had not submitted complete registration documents and had limited transaction history. And this task taught me how to refuse a request professionally while maintaining a good business relationship. Okay, so we move to the next letter. Okay, this is the second letter. The second test was preparing an acknowledgement of incoming funds. I confirmed the receipt of 25,000 US dollar from a Chinese importer and provided payment details, including the invoice and reference number. This correspondence highlight the importance of accuracy in financial communication. Okay, and this is the third letter. The third text involved a shipping delay notification due to monsoon weather condition. A shipment to a Korean client was delayed by 7 days. In the letter, I explained the reason for the delay, apologized, and offered alternative shipping option to minimize the impact on the customer. Okay, the fourth text was an insurance claim letter. I submit a claim to the marine insurance company for organic vegetables that were damaged by water at the port. The claim included details of the incident, the estimate loss, and supporting documents. The fifth text was preparing a memo regarding the resignation of Mr. Dodi, the warehouse supervisor. The memo informed the Human Resource Department about his last working day and the temporary transfer of responsibilities to ensure smooth operation. I prepare a business report summarizing all correspondence activities and the lesson learned from handling international business communication. And from this case, I learned that professional correspondence is essential for maintaining good relationship with clients, supplier, insurance companies, and employees. Clear, accurate, and timely communication helps organization solve problems effectively and maintain the trust with stakeholders. Okay, everyone, thank you for your attention. Have a great day. Bye-bye.